Welcome back to a new video, guys, and behind me, the Bentley, looking sick with its new wrap, and also behind me, my A45. But let's address the elephant in the room. Sounds pretty similar, right? I think we've found the solution to that, so let's get this thing inside and I'll show you the solution. So once again, we're at Mallory Performance. Insert the montage of Mallory Performance. Hello. And they are letting me use their ramps to fit this Remus Downpipe decap, this little pipe, Remus, and a full Remus catback exhaust system. So basically a full exhaust, okay? And it's going on the A45. So why does it need an exhaust? So the plan was for this car is to basically make it as quick and as powerful as possible, which is why an exhaust is sort of necessary. So if you look at it like this, if you could breathe in as much air as possible, but I told you you could only breathe out for a little straw, you're gonna struggle. It's the same thing with car tuning, really. So to make a car quicker, you need more air to go in. But if your car can't get that air out, there's no point sucking the air in the first place. So, which is why we're installing the Remus Downpipe and full system, really. So, shall we just get on with fitting this? Let's just have a quick Google of how to do it first. Wait! Are you seriously going to connect your phone to this Wi-Fi without using Surfshark? Yes, I'm using Surfshark now. Oh, okay, that's okay then, because Surfshark has sponsored this video and I need to let the guys know about what Surfshark is. Oh, okay. So Surfshark is a virtual private network, or a VPN for short. A VPN is a protection tool which guarantees instant online safety. Surfshark encrypts all the data sent via the internet so no one can steal your passwords, steal your videos, view your private messages, or see what you're doing online. Watched everything on Netflix and now bored? No problem. Check this. Let's say you want to watch a classic like The Fast and the Furious. I'm in the UK, you search for it, it's not available. All to do, go to Surfshark in the top right hand corner, change my browsing location to Canada. We're now browsing Netflix in Canada, we search for The Fast and the Furious again, and what do you know, it's there. Sit back and enjoy. So get Surfshark today using my link in the description box below. You'll get 85% off and an extra 3 months for free. Thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. Back to Matt. Right, enough of him. Let's get fitting.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see
the normal back box, which obviously just muffles the sound, a silencer, which just muffles the sound, and another silencer, which just muffles the sound. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the downpipe off now, and then we've literally got no exhaust system on the car and we can work backwards from there. If you're liking this, make sure you click subscribe. Let's go.
the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Right, these lot reckon that this is going to snap as soon as I take it off. Knowing me, it probably is. Let's do it. One down. Ah! Snap. In your face.
You ain't got off yet. You ain't got to it, do you?
No.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
This is graft. We have got the fan off so we can get the downpipe out. Absolute grafting off, and Phil's doing it. Legend. Video on. Yes. It's out. Radiator's intact. Ish. Victorious. So here we are, the full Remus system. It's got valves at the back, so obviously you'll be able to adjust it inside the car where it's quieter or louder, or I think it's pretty much just going to be loud all the way through. As you can see, the sports downpipe has replaced the cat, and then pretty much there's no silencers. There was 2 in the A45, as you can see from the clips I'm overlaying now. Then it pretty much goes all the way back to the back box, which is the only thing really muffling the sound. So we're going to get some, well, I was saying I'm going to hype it up now, but let's see how noisy it's going to be. Let's carry on fitting it, come on.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, done with my own doubts.
Right, Phil's about to turn it on. Phil, are you ready? Oh yeah! That is sick! Oh my god! My name. Here's before, and here is after. I think it's time to get it on the dyno, check the figures, see if it's actually improved it, and Phil's going to start doing some mapping stuff and see how much more we can push out of it now it can breathe. Let's go. If the A45 runs over 405 brake on its first run with no tuning after the exhaust, you guys have to click subscribe. And if it doesn't, you've got to click subscribe anyway and hit the thumbs up button. Right, let's do the first run. Headphone users, I'm sorry.
Oh,
no!
405.
Well,
405 footband.
we made more power. 397. We made.
It basically the downpipe and the exhaust. It picks up better, and it holds better up top. But the mid range is about the same.
Verdict's in. We've made 6 bhp. It was worth every second of graft of that exhaust. But Phil is about to work his magic. Maybe get a bit more power out of it, but we're definitely going to get a bit more noise.
There you go, mate.
And Phil's going to make a bit more popping and banging, because that's what makes you a real man nowadays. It makes you. It does, doesn't it? You know,
doesn't it, mate?
if your exhaust is popping and banging, then you're a man. It's
no, mate. But if your exhaust is popping and banging,
yeah,
you're making up for the lack of man in you.
You're a man. Oh, legend, look at him. You've got to click subscribe, guys, because
I
Phil...
mean, 27 foot-pound and...
Oh my God, check it out. 405 bhp and 432 foot-pounds. We're quicker, we're noisier, and I'm a bigger man now because I've got pop and bang.
So can't catch up with me.
Let's go outside and check it out.
Jesus Christ.
Now there's only one place I can take this now. The secret tunnel, although it's not so secret if you live in Leicester. I don't know what it is about a new exhaust on a car. It just makes you love the car that much more, and the noise this thing is producing is unreal. And not only is it sounding better, it's performing better. Apart from the tyre issue, but we'll get to that on another video. I also understand that this is the most childish thing in the world, but come on, you gotta love it. It's an A45. If you did this in the Bentley, I can understand, but it's an A45. It's a laugh. Now the A45's already come a long way since the day we got it, and it's turning out to be quite a beast. And I just want to say a massive thanks for Mallory Performance for letting me use the place, and also Phil for helping me out. So make sure you go and follow them. Link is up here. And also, if you are a supporter of the channel, grab yourself a jet tag, which is the link is in the description box below. That's gonna end today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.